Behind me is a brand new 2025 Roadtrek Agile SS. It's on a Sprinter chassis 2500 Mercedes. This is the most high-end Class B you're gonna find in the market. It's made by Roadtrek. As everybody knows, Roadtrek is one of the founders of the Class B in the market. What I like about it, it has the windshield in the front above the normal windshield. So they have those 3 windows on the top. This has a step to get in, so it's easy to get in from passenger side or the driver's side. As well, this door is electric. All you just do, just click like this, and it's open by itself. It has also electric step, so easy to get in. As you see on the side, we have 2 floodlights, one in the front, one in the back, and the power awning with a cover. As you see here, it's a Sprinter chassis 2500, all-wheel drive. And then you have this floor plan. It has the electric sofa in the back, where with the switch I could turn this to a sofa, and a table in between, and a dining bench. So this has become all one-piece bed, as you see here in the movie. And we'll go inside in more in detail. And it has the screen doors in the back, camera at the back. It has endless hot water heater. So it has the big hot water heater, and it's endless, is on demand. Outside shower, hot and cold. And it has all these fittings, which is easy for plumbing wise. Very simple. You just unlatch it, and it's easy to access all your black and gray water tank access. As you see, it's very nice. What I really like about this Class B, all these ABS and the other brand, without mentioning names, they're all black ABS, but on the Roadtrek they painted to match the body. That's one of the extra features that show you it's a high quality approved Class B. Let's walk inside. I like that the finishing is very high here to get in the driver and the passenger side. So I'm not hitting my head like some of them. You can't even walk, you have to duck. But with this one, you can't walk. The finishing, the leathers on the seats, and then the driver's seat and the passenger is separate themselves from the other brands. Solid surface countertop, as you see, with a sink cover. We have inductions, stove. All these cabinets, they are on a latch, as you see, with the stainless steel aluminum here. And then you have all these doors, and then we have a convection microwave. You could cook here. And then sliding spice rack, and then you have the fridge, the Norcold refrigerator, run off 12 volt also. And then you have another prepping. You put like knives. So they utilize every single size on this one. Now, Roadtrek, they're very well known for their covering for the windows. So if you notice, this one has 2 layers. So this is the shade. And then also, if you want to, and this window is open. And also this is a screen. So you could have a screen or the shade. But I really like about it, it's all hidden and covered. It's not like those one, they bounce like some other Class Bs. Now coming over here, we have central bath with a sink. This is actually the toilet and the showers, and you could sit on it, wash, take a shower. And actually it has the features where you latch it this way, so it gives you more room for elbow. And then we have another closet here, all the goodies, hanging clothes. Again, you just take this lead, so you could hang and slide them out. And all this is stored in the back. Now, to make this is in a bid position. Now, to make it back to the normal is very easy. Is you take that piece here, you put it in the back. This one here. And you push the switch to retract. and voila. And then I could sit here, I could watch my TV, I could see my drivers and passengers. This is come with the table and a leg here, so I could have like a dinette if I want to. It's very roomy, so I could sit 3 people in the back, 2 in the front if I want to. So as you see, it's very roomy and easy to drive. It's like a nice caddy. Come to Best RV. As you see on the link, you will see all the description about this motorhome, all the features, all the benefits, and the special price we have, because as usual, we let you know every day, every time, we have the best and the lowest price and no hidden fees. Come to Best RV and enjoy this Class B motorhome.